match so very hard.
What is wrong with you, my sweet boy?
I am playing badly in this match today. I want to quit the game right now. Welcome to our amazing school sports festival today.
Are you ready for the school cricket match?
Look at Leo in his beautiful new uniform.
I have my lucky red bat right here.
We are cheering for your team today, Leo. Yahoo!
Oh no! Why is the ball flying high?
That is a catch. You are out now.
We still need exactly 4 runs to win.
It is my turn to play right now.
Come on, Leo! You are our best player!
I am going to bowl this ball fast.
Oh no! Why did I miss the ball?
That is a dot ball. No runs scored.
Why is the bowler throwing the ball fast?
Here is another very fast ball for you.
I missed again. What am I doing wrong? I need 4 runs, but it is hard.
It is time for a short drinks break.
I do not want to play this game. Why is this cricket match so very hard?
What is wrong with you, my sweet boy?
I am playing badly in this match today. I want to quit the game right now.
Please cheer up, my sweet and brave boy. Drink some water and take a deep breath.
Why do you want to give up now? Winning the match is not the most important.
You must believe in yourself, my brother.
You just need to try your absolute best.
Can I really hit the ball this time? I will not quit. I will try again.
The drinks break is over. Match resumes.
Feel very confident and ready to play.
This is the final last ball today, players.
We believe in you, Leo.
Do your best.
Come on, Leo! You can do it today!
How can I hit this ball very hard?
Here comes my best throw today, Leo.
I must hit this ball hard to win!
Look! The ball is flying very high.
That is a boundary. That is 4 runs.
He did it. Leo won the big match.
You are our great champion today, Leo.
That was a very good game, my friend.
You played very well. Congratulations to you, Leo.
Why must we never give up in life?
Because trying your best makes you very proud.